What's up, y'all? Back with another YouTube video. I just made a video tonight, my Chinese food mukbang. Make sure y'all go watch that, link down below. But today I'm gonna be showing y'all how to download movies and TV shows on on your iPad, iPhone, Android, whatever. Netflix movies, because some people don't know how to do it, even though it's really simple and easy. Hold up, let me put this up here. So now I'm just going to have probably a screen recording and have my voiceover. So stay tuned. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe. Share. Make sure you subscribe, man. Slap that post notification so you're gonna miss video. Let's go. Peace. Yeah. So what's up, y'all? As y'all can see now on the Netflix app, I tap my account, King Neef. I go down, scroll through, and I click my movie, Fall from Grace. I press download. That's all you gotta do. Now for the TV shows, it's a little bit more tricky because sometimes when you tap on it, it doesn't just show you it straight from there. So as you can see, I will show you how you think you could do it. I go to a TV show, series, whatever. I tap on it. It don't say anything. You see the side, don't say anything. Whatever. I tap on it. You still don't see anything. You scroll a little bit. Yeah. Come on. Dang, why? I don't know why I'm going so slow. My bad. Oh my god. We're gonna wait here all day. We're gonna wait till Christmas next year. Oh my god, damn. This thing still ain't go yet. It's whatever. So I can't see none of that. Couldn't find nothing. So then I go back there. I wait for a little bit. I'm still showing y'all. As y'all can see, it's downloading. Now I go to download. Now I go to find more downloads. Then as you can see, it's loading. My internet little trash. It's cool or whatever. It's loading. You know, loading. Dang. And then as you can see, it's more. Then I go All American. You can see the download button. Now this is where you can download the episodes. So this is why it's a little tricky. Now I press download, starts downloading. So that's what I had said before. You might not just find it right away. So as you can see, my movie Fall from Grace is downloading and my episode from All American is downloading. Now I'm going to show you guys another screen recording when it's done. Right now it's loading and I don't want to waste that much time. So peace. So y'all probably not gonna be able to tell, but this jump took forever. So we tap on Netflix again. Here we go. Pop up my account, and both of the downloads are done. You scroll down to your downloads, and you can see the check mark. And you can press play or delete the download, and you can press play again or delete the download. So I'm pressing play to show you guys that it's legit and all of that. And later on, I'm gonna show you play. And I don't want to spoil the movie, too much for y'all. So I'm not going to really be scrolling like that. So now I'm turning off my internet and my cellular data to show you that you can watch these without internet. So I turn both of them on, so no connection, none of that.
Life
I turn on the movie because I had downloaded it. And then you can see I can still watch
You sign agreement. I'm just waiting to take it to.
Wow, I don't have internet connection. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share this with your friends so they can find out too.